Hello friends, welcome in the words of the day. Words of the day 3. Okay. So today we will give you some another word. These all words it has come in the newspaper. You must check the newspaper. Okay. The word is hurdle. That is the hurdle. This hurdle means obstacle. Okay, and you can also use opposite, opposite. Both meaning are same. You can say also in Hindi you will use badha. Okay, so how will you use it? You can use 1 minute. You can use it present time. The hurdle in education center are the couple for good teacher or reputed teacher, because you know that if the couples they are doing something wrong, then that they will also face many hurdles. Okay, these you can also use like that. Also you can use you have to use the words in your sentence. You can use also once the hurdle was over, his studies went on quite well. You know that this time also hurdle in our economics, hurdle in our growth, ROWTS, in India economics growth. Okay, you can use it. Okay, thank you so much to watch it. Okay.